This evening here in Jordan. Thank you so much, Jorgen. I'm calling you from Amman, Jordan. It's one of the 127 countries that Jorgen just mentioned. I'm very happy to be here. I want to recognize the presence of Ivan from Ukraine. Ivan, welcome. And the presence of Jeffrey Lipman as well as my co-founder, Cuthbert Nakubu from ATV. Jorgen, thank you so much for this opportunity. It's a great opportunity. Diana, it's wonderful to be here again with you. You and your tour guides are wonderful people. You're the core of our industry without doubt. You're the blood and butter of this industry. Now, why am I speaking here? I'm speaking here because I want to thank one particular person, Thomas Jorgen. Jorgen has been the instrument bringing all of us together. I'm sorry I'm not speaking so loud. I just took my vaccine today, my second vaccine. I'm feeling a bit tired. That's why I could not join in the morning. But otherwise, I'm doing well. Alhamdulillah. Thomas, Jorgen, thank you so much for bringing all of us together. Modi, my best regards to Indonesia. Thank you so much, everyone, for being with us today. It's a great opportunity to celebrate. I was not with you in Berlin. I was with you the year before that. It's the only year I missed was last year. But I've been with you in spirit. I'll continue to support you as much as I can. Thank you so much, Jorgen. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, and for everything you're doing, Dr. Taleb Rifai. For those that are watching us and are not 100% familiar, especially if you're not part of this industry, Dr. Taleb Rifai was the Secretary General for 2 terms at the United Nations World Tourism Organization, and really under his leadership, he brought the private and public sector together like no one else. And I think the world of tourism owes him a tremendous thanks. And now, even after his retirement, Dr. Rifai has been active in so many different initiatives. It's unbelievable. I don't know how you do it, but you must be the healthiest person on earth. And that's what we wish you. Stay healthy. And I hope the second vaccine will do you good.